In
Hello, friends. My name is Emre. Today, we will solve a question about simple linear regression. The problem is given X represents the years of the Corvette cars and Y represents the price in terms of hundreds of dollars. The question asks us determine the regression equation for the data. We can find manually and Excel, also Excel tools. I will also show them. I wrote the data of X and Y in Excel as a column. I converted it column and to calculate the prediction coefficient and interception value, which means b sub 0 y equals b sub 0 plus x times b sub 1. For calculating b sub 1, we can use x over s x y. I will show the easy way, so I won't go into details about it. For finding b sub 1, this formula comes at a point. We have to know mean of x and mean of y, sorry. X minus x bar times y minus, times summation is differentiated y minus y bar over summation of x minus x bar. First square it term by term and then sum all of the values. But squaring x minus x bar term by term is the first. For finding b sub 0, the interception of the regression line, b sub 0 equals y, the mean of y, minus x bar, y bar minus x bar times b sub 1. Once we find b sub 1, we plug into the second equation and we already know y bar and x bar, which represents mean of y and mean of x. B sub 1. We have a head for it. First, we will find b sub 1. Let's pass to the Excel. Let me save it. Right now, I'm calculating mean of x, sorry, script x and mean of script y. I am using Excel command for finding average function. I am selecting the data given in the question and calculating mean. Average. The next step will be finding x minus x bar, mean of x in this case, and y minus y bar. I will select the cells into the first item of value of x minus, I'm not going to select the mean of x. Instead, I will write just a value and press enter in the keyboard and scroll down until the last item, data item for x. I will do the same thing for y. The first item of y is d5 in terms of cell minus the value of mean of y and scroll down again. Then I will the multiplication of x minus x bar times y minus y bar items of items means first this row, this row, this row, and until the last row. X minus x bar times y minus y bar. You can calculate via your calculator manually, and it takes too much time, of course. This is the multiplication. The asterisk symbol represents, and this one, yes, until the last term again. This column represents this. Of course, not a summation. I will sum them up in the additional last row. We calculated nominator right now, and we will calculate x minus x bar square. Sorry. X minus x, mean of x, and square it. Let me enlarge it and align middle. Okay. I am squaring it term by term. For example, like this. Select x minus x bar and square it. For square, you can use this symbol. Arrow without, upper arrow without a line. And square it. Yes. And scroll down. Apply. We calculated this, not a summation. I will calculate summation by using sum function. This one represents numerator value, this one represents denominator. And for finding b sub 1, I will divide numerator value and to denominator value. I will use slash for division operation, and we will get negative 27 dot dot dot. I will complete it first operation. Right now we have to find b sub 0 according to this formula. Y bar mean of y minus x mean of x times b sub 1 hat. Our y bar is this minus bracket times mean of x is 4.1 times our b sub 1 value. I cannot click, so I will write the column cell number I16, capital letter I16. Yes. And I found the interception of regression equation and predictor coefficient. We can write the equation right now. Let me show the first equation. General term select different color. Y equals b sub 0 to 91 Sorry, this no. Okay, I confused. Plus b sub 1 will be 27 times x, of course. We found that there is a negative relationship between x and y. If I increase x value for 1 unit, the y value will decrease approximately negative 27. Also, I wanna show uh, how to use linear regression in Excel. You can check whether you downloaded package or not from the options, add-ins, there is a manage and click to go, and analysis tool pack. If it is checked, you can click OK and go to the data, click the data analysis. Here's the data analysis, regression. You are selecting and click OK. It asks us to select Y range, X range. Our X range will be this and Y range will be that. And click OK. I have already clicked, so I'm not gonna click again. That's it. It opens the new sheet for default and show you an analysis about linear regression. Our focus is this. Intercept means b sub 0 value and x variable 1 is b sub 1. It calculated thanks to the computer and show the results. B sub 0 equals 291 and b sub 1, x variable 1 represents b sub 1 because we have just one predictor coefficient equals negative 27. What we found, same as you can see over here. That's all today. Thank you for listening me. Goodbye.